We've had a lot of growth, and we see a lot of growth coming in the future, and in order to do that really well, we need great leaders. And so people that are all about growth and development for themselves, but all about growth and development for the people that they lead, are the type of people that are really going to fit in well and that are going to really appreciate this opportunity. And so that's the type of people that we want. People that are really going to think long term with us and help us grow into the future are the best candidates for this job. Finding great people is hard sometimes, and our culture is really important to us. So finding people that are willing to come in and learn and grow and really become a part of who we are, that's important to us. So we really created this program so that we could slow down that process a little bit and really work with people so that not only would they really feel like they were ingrained in our culture and in our team, but also they would be able to have a greater impact at the end of the program.
I think the real reason that we created this program and why it's so important is, you know, what at the end of the day makes us feel like we're ready for growth is just great people. And at the end of the day, to achieve our goals, it all starts with leadership. One thing that's really important to us here at Thrasher Group is for every employee to feel like they are empowered to be a business owner. At the end of the day, they have the autonomy to make decisions, they have the autonomy to take care of their coworkers, they have the autonomy to take care of our customers. And I think when we do that, I think the beautiful thing about that is we do whatever it takes to take care of our customers.
When I think about our culture and the type of person that fits in well here, it really is a person that's passionate and competitive and likes to win, but at the same time humble and able to recognize that they don't have it all figured out yet. And we just surround ourselves with other people that are like that, and because of that we all get to get better from experiencing life together and work together. And so people that really are willing to kind of dive in and get after it, learn new things, push the envelope, those are people that are going to fit in well. And then we get to celebrate together because we do it as a team, not just an individual. And so people that thrive in those team environments and thrive in challenging themselves and being challenged, they're going to be the people that rise to the top through this program.